We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love.
Character, what do you mean?
Looking for something that lives inside me.
And this is a 24-inch. Quite a beautiful color variety that you can choose from.
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody.
Hi my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and please stay. I would appreciate it. Please like this video. I would appreciate it so much. So this wig is by Outre and it is the Elara wig. It has a beautiful bouncy movement to it and it is a 13x4 T-part frontal, I believe. And then it has a beautiful hairline that is not too bulky and it has a breathable cap which comes in handy when that hair underneath is itchy. And then it has a strong strap and a comb on the side to help with a glueless look. I have more details about the wig specs at the end of the video. Please watch till the end. This is when I did a light plucking on the hair. The wig is ready to be installed. I believe it will be a quick install and this is how we're looking. I'm loving it so much. So let me quickly install it and tell you more about the specs of the wig.
Ay, one time like, two time like, ay, me pop up. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any full pack of top papers, about to put some P's in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a fuck about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talk it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Look, all my niggas fresh up out the mud like a mineral. Riding with them soldiers, they salute me like a general. Hit the coast of Florida, feeling sorta like a Seminole. No exaggeration, all my literature be literal. Little do they know I do it bigger than they thought it though. Ain't no flexing with this weapon, fuck you think I bought it for. Police call me radical, your wifey think I'm nautical. Riding to that Carter and I get just what I bought her for. Baby say she love me, don't know why she wanna leave me. All this shit out on the streets and I make it look easy. You ain't got no evidence, then you gotta believe me. Girl, I'm just a person, all that perfect shit for TV. Tally up my winning streak, I'm puffing on a power pack. Gave the wrong niggas money, bitch, I don't know how to act. No, I'm playing.
I'm loving the hair. For a synthetic wig, the lace is quite good. The hair reacts okay to heat. The thing that I'm not happy about is the flyaways. I'm not liking the flyaways, but otherwise I'm loving the hair. This wig is giving me a whole new character. What do you mean? Oh, yes, ma'am. The bounce and the density is amazing. I love it. So this is the following day, and I thought, let me show you how I went to bed with this hair. Since I didn't remove the wig, I went to bed with it, and let's see together if my method works. All right, so I did the sock hitless curl method. Let's remove that. It was comfortable to sleep in because this is soft, you know. It wasn't uncomfortable at all. I didn't use any product when I was doing the sock curling method. Okay, I think I will do this every time when I go to bed and I have the wig on me. I think I will always detangle and then do the sock hitless curl method. Let's come out. I still have to figure out what products I am going to use on this hair because I don't want it to be shiny. Honestly, when it comes to synthetic hair, I don't want the hair to be shiny. I feel like when it is shiny, it has that giveaway, man, that says, I am synthetic. So I'll probably use a mousse or a hair serum on those days where I feel like, okay, let's apply a bit of product on this hair. Otherwise, I don't think I'll use product. Let me go to the back for you to get a full view of the hair. I'm loving the hair. Let me go through the specs with you. This wig is by Outre, and it is the Elara wig in color 1B. It is a melted hairline right there, melted hairline. So I think that's what gives us a good lace for a synthetic wig. The melted hairline, they call it, and comes in these colors as well. Quite a beautiful color variety that you can choose from. Yes, come through Outre. And so it has a 5-inch deep parting, as you can see. It goes all the way to the back, and then pre-plugged hairline, pre-attached wide elastic band. And you can also wear it glueless, they say. I want to try that because this glue situation is not going to work for me every day. And this is a 24-inch. The shedding is very minimal. It doesn't have much shedding for synthetic hair. It's only the flyaways that I do not like, that I want to tame. That's the only thing I do not like about this wig. And I can't wait to style it more and show you guys how I style it. Yeah, I look forward to playing around with this wig and cutting it shorter and shorter because I want to play around that as well. I want to cut it short to a shoulder length bob kind of a style going on as time goes by. This wig was at $38, and if you are in South Africa like myself, it was $38. Shipping and handling fee was about $15, and then customs was $24. I may be wrong, but I'll attach the receipt here for you to see. So if you are in SA, you are looking at about 1,300 and something for the wig, including shipping, including customs. You're looking at about 1,350. Is it worth it? I can't fully tell you that. I will be your test, and I will link the wig details down below on the description, whereby it will lead you to my Amazon storefront, and you can purchase this wig and see other beautiful wigs as well. Let me know if you would try this wig and if you have tips for me on what products I can use on my synthetic wig. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. Mwah.